Hi guys, welcome back to my quirky kitchen. As promised, I'm back with another mango dessert recipe today. Today's video is all about the scooped mango cake decoration, and that too without using a fruit scooper. So without wasting any time, let's begin. For this recipe you will need a vanilla sponge cake, some sugar syrup, Alfonso mangoes, and some whipped cream. All the 3 mangoes need to be cut like this: 2 big slices, 2 small slices, and the remaining seed. Scrape off the excess flesh from the mango seeds and keep it in another bowl, and soak the mango seeds in the sugar syrup. With the help of any tiny rounded spoon, you can scoop out balls out of the bigger mango slices. The remaining flesh from the bigger slices and the smaller slices can be cut into small pieces. This way you're using the entire mango without wasting anything. These pieces will be used as the filling inside the cake. The sugar syrup will soak all the necessary pulp from the seeds. This way you can make your own sugar syrup at home. And of course the star of the show, the scooped out mangoes. Now let's begin with assembling the cake. Take 1 slice of the vanilla sponge cake and soak it properly with the mango syrup. Now add a dollop of whipped cream and spread it across evenly. Now add half of the chopped mangoes and spread evenly. Repeat the same method with another slice of vanilla cake, sugar syrup, whipped cream, and chopped mangoes. Finally, add the last layer of vanilla sponge cake, followed by sugar syrup, and cover the top with a coat of whipped cream. Once the top of the cake is covered with a thin layer of cream, start coating the side of the cake with more whipped cream. Once the side is completely covered, start smoothing out the cream. Scrape off excess cream from the top. Don't worry if the cake crumb is visible because you're going to cover it with more cream and mangoes. Also, I'm at my native place this lockdown. I have very limited resources. I did not have any piping bag or nozzle. So I've simply made use of this Ziploc bag, cut it into some shape and piped out the cream. You can use the nozzle of your choice. Now cover the cake with the scooped out mangoes in a circular motion. Now you can leave the cake as it is or add some mint leaves for a beautiful color contrast. And voila! The scooped mango cake is ready to serve. This cake serves up to 10 to 15 people. So guys, to make the best of this mango season, you have to give this recipe a try. I would really love to know your comments and feedback. Please stay tuned, and for more such recipes, do like, share and subscribe to my quirky kitchen. Thank you. Bye bye.